So you've clicked on this video because you want to delete your Facebook account permanently. And some of you might have clicked on this video because you have already tried. You went into the settings, you tried finding that option and you couldn't do so. It's a few simple steps to delete your Facebook account. It's not a rocket science. However, finding that option has honestly always been a challenge, and it still is. For some reason, Facebook, I don't know, they don't want you to delete the account. I thought my account got hacked this morning. Someone tried to access my information, log into my account. I honestly don't use Facebook at all nowadays. So I'm also planning on deleting my Facebook account. So in this video, I'll be deleting my Facebook account, and you'll go through those steps with me so you can learn how to permanently delete your Facebook account. This would also include deactivating your Facebook account temporarily if you don't want to delete everything. This would also include downloading your information from Facebook before you go ahead and delete your account. So this would include all of those things. We're going to go ahead and delete my Facebook account. You can follow along, and hopefully this would also help you find that option, the hidden option that Facebook never wants you to see for some reason. So let me go ahead and open up my phone. Let's go to Facebook. So search Facebook, go to Facebook. This is your main interface on Facebook. You need to first tap on the bottom right corner. You would see your profile photo, a small profile photo. Tap there, and then you would see this screen. Scroll down, look for settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you would see privacy shortcuts. Click on privacy shortcuts and then scroll down. And under your Facebook information, you're going to see delete your account and information. Tap on this. Now you're going to see two options: deactivate your account and delete your account. Keep watching this video till the end. Do not skip this video here, because I'm going to mention a few important things before you actually go ahead and delete your account. So deactivating your account temporarily would mean, let's say you want to take a break from Facebook, you have your exams coming up, and you just don't want to delete it permanently, but just want to take a small break. You can deactivate your account. Everything is going to stay intact as it is. When your exams finish, when you want to rejoin Facebook, you can simply come back and reactivate your account. Everything is going to look the same, the way it was. But if you decide to delete your account permanently, that means everything is going to be deleted. Your posts, your photos, your messages, everything. So this is something that you obviously want to be 100% certain that you want to go ahead and delete your account before you choose this option. So I'm going to tap delete my account, which would mean when you delete your Facebook account, you wouldn't be able to retrieve the content or information you've shared on Facebook. Your messages and all of your messages will be deleted. So I'm okay with it. I will go ahead and continue deletion. Now, it's asking me that there are a few pages linked to this account. If I delete my main account, this will also delete the pages that are linked to my account. So I see the pages that I created, and I will tap continue because I'm okay with it. Now, before you delete, we may be able to help. So it's again giving me an option, giving me a warning that, hey, you're going to delete your account, consider these options. So they're asking me, why am I deleting my account? I spent too much time on Facebook. I have a privacy concern. I don't feel safe on Facebook. My account was hacked. I no longer find Facebook useful. I think, honestly speaking, maybe all of them. But in this particular case, I might go ahead and choose my account was hacked. Now, it's giving me an option. I can protect my account security. I would say continue to account deletion. When I do that, permanently delete account. Before you delete, to keep messages, deactivate instead, save post in your archive, download your information. I have 1.4 thousand photos, 3.3 thousand posts and more uploaded to Facebook. You can download this content before it's permanently deleted along with your account. So if I want to, I can download my photos from Facebook. You know, it has my older photos, so I have the option to download those. I may, in fact, go ahead and do that. Not sure, because, you know, it has my old photos and sometimes you want to keep those with you, right? So I'll go ahead and actually download my information. Let's see what happens if I download my information before I delete my account. It's asking me, what do I want to download? Save items and collections, voting, messages, posts. pages. Okay, I tried finding the photos option to only download photos because I don't want to download messages and all the posts and activity, etc. But I couldn't find that option. Honestly speaking, I don't care anymore. I'm going to delete it because I don't want my personal information leaked. And lately I've been getting so many messages. I've been added to different groups. I don't know what's happening with Facebook. It's just crazy, right? I just don't use Facebook, so I don't want to go through all of that. I want to just simply delete my account. It also gives you an option to transfer your information to another account. So yeah, no, let's go ahead and delete account. Tap delete account. Now it's obviously going to ask me for the password. So I'll go ahead and enter the password. Okay, I've just entered the password. Now it's asking me to tap continue. As soon as I tap continue, you would see that my account would be deleted. Let's tap continue. It's again asking me confirm permanent account deletion. You're about to permanently delete your account. If you're ready to delete, click account delete. Once you submit your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you wouldn't be able to retrieve any other content or information you have added. I'll tap delete account. I created this account in 2009, so you can count the number of years I have had this account, right? It's very unfortunate. Facebook, you need to keep your users safe. They need to feel safe and secure. I don't, right? So, okay, my account is deleted. Your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. If you log in, you see I've already received an email as well. Let's go through the email and see what the email says. Your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. Facebook will start deleting your account. Same thing that it was mentioning earlier in the notification that it gave me while I was deleting the account. After 5th January 2024, I wouldn't be able to access the account or any of the account I've added. If you followed along, hopefully you were able to delete your account as well or deactivate your account, whatever you wanted to do. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Let me know if you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.